Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about how you can integrate HeyGen on Repurpose.io. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go on the workflows and you have to choose. By scrolling down, you'll find HeyGen. When you click on that, it will ask for an API. So to find that API, you'll have to log in into HeyGen account and copy that API. When you copy that API, you'll have to put the API token in there and you need to connect. After you connect, you'll have to access some account and some permissions to repurpose.io. After that, you'll have to create the workflow and you have to choose a destination. I'll choose TikTok or wherever you want to post. And then you have to automate your workflow. You can use feature content and you can use existing content however you want. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe the video.